Look up at the night sky. The universe holds hundreds of billions of galaxies, and each galaxy contains billions upon billions of stars. Many of these stars are far older than our own sun. Statistically, given these immense numbers, we should not be alone. And yet, the universe is silent. There are no signals, no visitors, no undeniable proof of anyone else out there. This profound silence has a name: the Great Filter. The Great Filter is a terrifying idea. It suggests that somewhere on the long evolutionary path from simple, non-living matter to a starfaring civilization, there is a barrier. A filter so difficult to pass that almost no one ever makes it through. Something goes wrong. Something wipes civilizations out before they can spread across the cosmos. The real question isn't whether the Great Filter exists. The real question is, have we already passed it, or is it still waiting for us? This whole idea stems from a simple question asked by the physicist Enrico Fermi back in 1950. While having lunch with his colleagues, he famously asked, "Where is everybody?" This became known as the Fermi Paradox. If intelligent life is even moderately common, and interstellar travel is possible, even at slow speeds, then the galaxy should be teeming with civilizations. Our galaxy alone is over 100,000 light-years across, and the universe is nearly 14 billion years old. A determined civilization would only need a few million years to colonize the entire galaxy. That's a mere blink of an eye in cosmic time, so why hasn't anyone done it? Let's explore the possibilities. What could this filter be? The first possibility is that the origin of life itself is the filter. The jump from lifeless chemistry to self-replicating biology might be a 1 in a trillion event. Here on Earth, life appeared relatively quickly after the planet cooled, but that might just mean we won the cosmic lottery. Perhaps most planets remain forever sterile, beautiful but lifeless rocks floating in the dark. If that's the case, if life is the filter, then we are among the first, and we've already passed the hardest test. But what if simple life is common? The next filter could be the leap to complex life. For billions of years, Earth was home only to single-celled organisms, no brains, no tools, no consciousness. The evolution of complex, multicellular creatures might require a perfect storm of conditions: a stable star, a protective magnetic field, the right chemical balance, a large moon to stabilize our axis. If you miss even one of these critical ingredients, evolution might stall forever, leaving a planet of microbes that never looks up at the stars. Even with complex life, intelligence is not a guarantee. The dinosaurs ruled this planet for 160 million years, and they never built a radio telescope or wondered about their place in the universe. Intelligence, as we know it, may be a strange evolutionary accident, a rare and fragile branch on the tree of life, not its ultimate destination. And this brings us to a more frightening possibility. What if the filter is not behind us, but ahead? What if the filter is technology itself? The moment a species develops the power to reshape its world, it also gains the power to destroy it. Nuclear weapons, runaway artificial intelligence, engineered pandemics, catastrophic climate change. Our own list of potential self-inflicted apocalypses grows longer every year. Perhaps most civilizations reach this point, burn brightly for a short time, and then extinguish themselves in a flash of technological hubris. Intelligence does not guarantee wisdom. Or maybe the danger comes from outside. The universe is a hostile place. A nearby supernova, a gamma-ray burst, or a major asteroid impact could sterilize a planet in an instant. A civilization might be doing everything right, only to be wiped out by cosmic bad luck long before it can become truly interstellar. There is one final, darker idea. What if advanced civilizations are out there, but they choose to be silent? In a vast, dark forest, you don't shout to let everyone know you're there. You listen. Broadcasting your existence could be the single most dangerous thing you could ever do. In a universe you don't fully understand, silence may be the ultimate strategy for survival. This is the dark forest theory. So, where does that leave us? Have we passed the Great Filter, or is it still ahead? If it's behind us, if the emergence of life, or complex life, or intelligence was the impossible step, then we are incredibly rare and precious. The silence we hear is the silence of a universe waiting for us to fill it. But if the filter lies ahead, then the silence is a warning. It's the silence of a cosmic graveyard, a testament to all the others who reached this stage and failed. The Great Filter forces us to look inward. It transforms the question from where are the aliens to what kind of species do we want to become. The choices we make in the coming centuries will decide our fate. Because one day, someone or something might be listening, and what we become will determine whether our story is heard across the galaxy, or whether we, too, are lost to the great, cosmic silence. Thanks for watching.